We love our pool. The process was amazing, but the difficult part was finding Tom. We met with 8 or 9 pool contractors, and we just hit it off with Tom. He wasn't interested in selling us, he was just interested in our project. We weren't wrong. It has been a wonderful process. I consider him a friend, and we love him.
Well, I appreciate that. I get pretty personal with all my projects. As you can see, it was a process of a lot of decisions to make. What really attracted me to this project was one, you guys, you were really easy to work with, but you were very flexible. We did have some challenges with the pavilion and the overhangs, the existing walkway, removing the koi pond, which was pretty large, big patio that was here. So getting rid of all that stuff and starting from scratch, laying out the pool where we wanted it. We tweaked it a little bit, moving it here and there. And again, the tricky part too is setting elevation. You wanted a big entrance from the pavilion, right? So we were able to match that height. And of course, we have a little bit of a height difference at this end, but with Kathy's creativity, we have a planter here and it's all gonna blend in nicely. Other than that, with the backdrops, these were existing, big trees in the back, the wall was existing, but we were able to make it blend nicely with their vision.
0 to 100, I think I'd have to give them a 150.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was amazing.
It was that good.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I've learned a lot from Tom about how to take care of pools and water chemistry and all the ins and outs of that. He's extremely knowledgeable about that with tons of years of experience. And you've even got that trailer for salvaging pools. Reverse osmosis on pools.
Do that too.
I mean, it's just at such another level from a lot of the other ones that we met with. So
appreciate it.
I think that was probably my favorite part of the whole process, was just knowing, having so much confidence in your company and you especially, and just working with the best of the best.
I appreciate that. So it sounds like you're looking forward to taking care of this pool.
Oh yeah.
You might be getting a call.
Well, and we build pools that are very user-friendly, skimmer location, return line locations. You've got quite a bit going on at your equipment with the UV system, ozonator.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure I have
generator.
all the help from the equipment that I can get on that.
Yep.
So what's really nice about Jandy Aqualink is that we actually work with second-party items like Alexa. You can say simple commands like, Alexa, turn on my pool pump, or Alexa, turn on my bubbler, or even Alexa, turn my pool lights to blue, and it will actually do it for you. As you can see, we've got kind of a Vegas-style bubbler. You can turn it up and down through the app however much you like, but it's nice that you don't have to use a bunch of strange commands or a sentence long to get things to happen, because we've done the work behind the scenes to make it as simple as possible. So inside this panel, we've got the brain behind the outfit. We've got the salt system can be powered up, and all your breaker space is down here. So we have everything in one easy to use or easy to set up box. And then we've got the iAqualink antenna, which ties in the automation side so that you can control it easily. When we look at the next equipment down the line, we have our variable speed pump. Water will come in, it'll go in to the filter afterwards, make sure that it's nice and clean, and then it'll come down through the other side and go through our different options for chemical automation. So we have the AOP unit, and then it'll go into our AquaPure, which allows the chlorine to be produced so that there's very little that's required to maintain clarity. That's kind of the closed loop system, and it makes it very easy to plumb when it comes in from this side of the filter and goes out through the other side. We appreciate it when our pool contractors, when they put effort into making sure that hydraulics of each system are proper. This panel is actually able to be hooked in and controlled by the relay, even aftermarket yard lights. So we have a different product that has lights that operate into the trees and into the patios. And so those can be controlled now through your iAqualink control system. And then now we use low voltage lighting so that you don't have high voltage to the pool. It's a safer way to go. And so it transforms it down here, and then the conduits will run back to the pool, and you'll get your color LED lights. Yeah, right. Keep it simple. It's all labeled right. So yeah, it's all good.